with Jake, and we are here to show you this amazing new product, which is custom brim trim. So there's many different varieties. You can have the thin red line flag, you can have your state flag, and you can put your name and your number on it. So Jake is here to show you how simple it is to actually put it on your helmet.
All right. So the first thing we would want to do is remove the impact cap from your helmet and also the edge beading. Look what we've already done here. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to get your brim trim, and it's going to come like this with the edge border and everything on it. So we are going to actually trim that down with our scissors and make it so that you can fit it into your helmet easier. A few supplies you're going to need for your project here are, of course, the scissors, a craft knife, some type of stiff card, preferably a felt edge squeegee like we have here, but a credit card or something like that will work also. And also, you're going to want to clean the underside of your helmet first with a mild detergent. Of course, let it dry, and then we do like a final prep with isopropyl alcohol as well. Then, so we have already done that. We've cleaned our helmet, applied the isopropyl alcohol, and we're ready to install. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use what we call the hinge method, and I'm going to peel back the decal from the backing paper and use my scissors to trim just a little bit of edge off so that we can position the decal. Like so. And I'm just going to use my fingers at first just to get it started. And then, like I said, we're just going to hinge it back and we're going to peel the backing paper off as we go. And you only want to peel maybe 2 inches at a time to get it started. And again, come back in here with your fingers just to like lay it down nice and smooth. We use 3M vinyl, which has air release properties in it. So it's real easy to push any kind of air bubbles out that you might get. Just kind of push them as you go. And you can also, it's also easy to generally just peel back. Just be very careful that the vinyl doesn't touch itself. It lays right in there real nice. Same thing to the other side. Like so. And we're going to do the same thing to the front. So the nice thing about this is the decal is seamed right where the clips hold the impact cap in. So the clips will actually cover up the seam in the decal. So then we're going to do the same thing as we did on the other end, just in reverse. Use a finger. We actually use the hinge method here as well. Flip it. And again, if you can, only go a little bit at a time. Again, being careful not to let the decal touch itself. Amazing, perfect. Just like that. Again, just using your thumb or finger to go down over top. And when you're finished, you can come back here with your
credit card.
Yes, and like I said, you can any air bubbles will mostly push out very easily.
So it's as simple as putting on your phone screen.
Basically, yeah.
Okay.
And then if there's any places that need trimmed, obviously very delicately trim through the decal, not into the plastic of your helmet or leather of your helmet, whichever. These are available for the traditional helmets, the 1010, 1044, N5A, N6A, and 880, and Ben 2 as of right now. There'll be more to come. And again, just trim very delicately in any areas that you need to put screws back in and so on.
That's simple to cut through as well.
Yep. And once you're all done, you can put your impact cap back in, put your edge beading back on, and you're ready to go fight fire.
All right, so there you have it. Get your own custom brim trim today.